Ka Sorkar Jilla kala pemena bala penjelanya ke curfew syaka apsau kenta. Batkat kum keji itu Menteri Rangba ke jela ukunat kesama ulai itu baya ke curfew la penjelan hadu san beje mestap jong khat praterik unailar. Ukunat ulai itu ru baya ke internet jong ke mobile phone ondang beteng men penduk syua sakat to kat ngisngi.
At the same time, keeping in mind the overall situation that is still prevailing in Shillong City, it was also decided that the curfew will continue for the next 24 hours also, which means the curfew has been extended to Wednesday morning 5 a.m. and so will the internet services in terms of the mobile internet data services will also be closed for the next extension again for another 24 hours.